Welcome back to another video from our YouTube channel. In this video, we will go through the steps required to configure centralized container logs using ELK stack. If you are interested in learning, you can find lot of useful videos in our channel. Make use of those videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel to not miss any new videos. Let's get started. The ELK stack consists of Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. It is a very powerful tool for centralizing and analyzing log data from containers. Here is a general overview of how to set up the ELK stack for container logs. Step 1. Install Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana on a dedicated server or cluster. Step 2. Create a Logstash configuration file that will be used to parse and filter container logs. This can include fields such as container name, image, and ID, as well as any custom fields you want to include. Step 3. Set up a log driver in your Docker daemon to forward container logs to Logstash. This can be done by adding the log driver and log opt options to your Docker daemon configuration file. Step 4. Start Logstash and begin collecting container logs. You can use the input and output sections of your Logstash configuration file to specify where logs should be collected from and where they should be sent to. Step 5. Use Kibana to create visualizations and dashboards that will help you analyze and understand your container logs. This can include graphs, charts, and tables that show metrics such as container uptime, resource usage, and error rates. Step 6. Use Elasticsearch to perform complex queries and searches on your container logs. This can include searching for specific logs or patterns, as well as aggregating data across multiple containers. By centralizing container logs using the ELK stack, you can gain a better understanding of what is happening in your environment, troubleshoot issues more quickly, and make more informed decisions about how to optimize your container infrastructure. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped you to understand the steps required to configure centralized container logs using ELK stack. Keep practicing and have fun.